Hello everyone, wishing you all a very good time. I Harshit Dikshit welcome in Harshit Dikshit coaching. Here we will be studying motion in one dimension, part 11 of it. And in part 11 the topic is kinematic equation for uniformly accelerated motion, and in this we will be studying distance traveled in nth second. The formula is Snth is equal to u plus a by 2 2n minus 1, where u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration, and n is the time in seconds. Now first we need to understand what is this nth distance traveled. Suppose this is the time axis. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. Now the distance traveled between 0 and 1 will be called as the distance traveled in first second. Similarly, distance traveled between first and the second will be called as the distance traveled in second, and it will be denoted by S2. Similarly, for the third, we will take as third distance traveled. Similarly, for the fourth, we will see it is the distance traveled in the fourth second. Similarly, if instead of 4 here would been n, then this distance would have been called as the nth second. So the formula for that nth second in journal has been given by this formula. We will see a question, and how can this formula be applied to this question will be cleared by this question. This question has come in 1993, NEET 1993. A body starts from rest. What is the ratio of the distance traveled by the body during the fourth and the third second? Now, fourth and the third second. So we know that the formula for the SNS second is u plus a by 2 bracket 2n minus 1, right? So fourth second के लिए if it is for the fourth, so we will put n is equal to before that, before putting n is equal to 4, it says a body starts from rest. From rest means initial velocity will be taken as 0. Since it is starting from the rest, so initial velocity will be 0. So formula is a by 2 2n minus 1. Now we will put the value during the fourth second it is asking. So we will put S4 is equal to a by 2 bracket 2 into 4 minus 1, right? So this comes out to be 7a by 2. Similarly, for the third second it is asking, so instead of n we will put 3, S3. This is equal a by 2, right? 2 into 3 minus 1, this gives you 5a by 2, right? So now it is asking the ratio of fourth and the third second. So S4 upon S3 will be equal to 7a by 2 whole divided by 5a by 2. Now a by 2 and a by 2 cancels out, and this comes out to be S4 upon S3 comes out to be 7 upon 5. So this is the answer. So answer option goes with A. I hope the concept is clear and the application of this formula through this question is very clear. That's all for this today's lecture. Thank you one and all. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you one and all. Thank you.